Although, Honorable Speaker, Sugoi is a very important village in this country. Honorable Speaker, I beg to lay the following papers on the table of the House today, Thursday, 15th June 2023. 1. Report of the National Government Budget Implementation Review for the first 9 months of the financial year 2022-2023 from the Office of the Controller of Budget. 2. County Government Budget Implementation Review Report for the first 9 months of the financial year 2022-2023 from the Office of the Controller of Budget. 3. The Performance Audit Report of the Auditor General on construction of small dams and water ponds by the Ministry of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation and implementing agencies for June 2023. And lastly, 4. The annual report and financial statements for the financial year 2021-2022 from the Office of the Auditor, Office of the Controller of Budget. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Chairperson, Special Funds, Accounts Committee. Go ahead, Honorable Fatuma.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Honorable Speaker, I beg to lay the following paper on the table of the House today, Thursday, 15th June 2023. First, report of the Special Funds Accounts Committee on its consideration of the report of the Auditor General on the financial statement of the Women Enterprise Fund, Coffee Sherry Advance Revolving Fund, Strategic Food Reserve Trust Fund, Equalization Fund, Mechanical and Transport Fund, National Research Fund, Youth Enterprise Development Fund, Uwezo Fund, and Civil Service Housing Scheme Fund. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Honorable Fatuma. Next order.